What is up, guys? Today we are going to be searching. I got this 2009 K9 here. This is from a local department. K9. Got this black and white 2008. Okay, before we get started, I'm gonna get the security man over here to make sure that he sets up a perimeter so no criminals will come up. Security man, can you copy? Security man.
Who are you looking for? Over.
I'm looking for security man. Who's this?
This is a new junkyard boy.
Get your ass over here.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, this is the new junkyard boy. New junkyard boy. You're gonna be my new security guard for today.
Sounds good.
Yep. And this is gonna be your weapon. So yeah, if any criminal comes nearby, you shoot him. Be careful though, because it's cocked back already.
Okay.
Yeah, so don't point it at me. Yeah, don't point it at
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
It's a flare gun, but it's enough to take down a criminal.
Yeah, it'll blind them for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, look, it's Yellow Man.
No, it's Funny Man, not Yellow Man.
Oh, my bad. I'm pointing a gun at you again.
Yeah, no. Okay, so the Funny Man has been promoted to EMT, emergency medical technician. So, you know, if I cut myself or, you know, if anything happens, he's got my back.
Okay,
all right,
cool. So if I get hurt, you know, enemies and stuff,
he'll operate on you.
Okay,
so don't worry.
You know.
Okay.
I just want to, you know, my safety and all.
All right, for sure. All right, so we're gonna start searching this car right here. See what kind of goodies we can find in here.
You need some lens cleaner?
Lens cleaner?
Yeah, some lens cleaner, man.
No.
Got a bunch of nails and a bunch of nothing.
Bunch of nothing in here. Some
Oh,
bad
what
start
is
so
this?
far. Modem. I think looks like it's broken though. Guys, this smells like a dog's butt.
It does.
It does. Smells like a dog's
Really
butt.
bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Motorola CDM 1550.
Oh, we can't pop the trunk
Cool.
from the inside.
Oh, okay. Can you go get me the master key real quick so you get in the trunk?
Where is those?
It's over at the. It's like Motorola CDM. This looks like the mic that goes to it. Cool. Fuses. Man, look at all this dog hair. What kind of dog do you think this is?
Probably German Shepherd.
Definitely German Shepherd.
Yeah.
Smell it for me?
No, I don't smell it. You know, stuff get up your nose.
Looks like.
Oh, we got an intruder.
Is it?
We got an intruder.
Watch out! Get him!
Get down! Get back! Get back! Get back! I don't know who that is.
Oh wait, it's.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
See the
he's
sticker?
clear.
Yeah,
He's
he's good.
He's clear. He's clear.
I gave him the go ahead to shoot any intruders.
So watch out! I'll blind you. It's a flare gun.
What's up, man?
Shit.
Guys, this is Jesse, my head technician, Crown Wreck Auto technician.
You know, better than the Crown Wreck Auto mechanic because I actually get done, and you know, I actually turn around on cars, and we actually get. It doesn't take us 5 days to pull the engine. It takes us about 4 hours tops. You know, that's
Right.
why I decided to be lazy.
All right, let's pull this out. Why are these things so freaking heavy? Holy
Metal.
yeah, jeez. Looks dog hair.
The dog was jumping around in the car.
That's cool though. I'm gonna put that into the movie car.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. All right, got my gloves on. You should probably get yours on too.
Copy. Let me get them on right now.
So the winner of the last 6-Sawyer knife is this guy right here. Bing! Congratulations. Send me a PM or a Facebook message. Dog hairs everywhere. Oh crap, face reveal.
Oh.
Got the keys. Please be a biscuit. All right, let's see what's in here. The knee pad.
Looks like we got a.
Oh, I hope the brackets are in here.
They are. Oh, nope.
No, those aren't the brackets. Bunny gun.
More computer crap.
Yeah.
8-channel high current switch.
This is yeah. Perfect. This is perfect right here. You know what this is? This is the bulletproof panels.
They go in the car.
Need a bulletproof this?
Oh yeah.
Not yet.
Oh, those are the panels that go in the door.
Yeah.
Put those in my doors. I go through sketchy areas.
Yeah, for sure. All right, guys, stick to the end of the video. We're gonna boom test it out. All right. Let's search. Ooh, looks like there's some pie here. something. Let's see what else there is. All right, looks like we have a Wheeling Talon Super LED dash light. Super. Oh, it's amber. That's dope.
It's the amber one.
Talon LED amber.
What the? Oh. 2008 Crown Victoria.
Yep, that's this car right here. Motorola speaker. Wonder if this goes to that radio. Probably does. Let me go check. Because I know these are from the same department. Nope, doesn't go. Guess it's different. Oh, rusty handcuffs. Peerless rusty. These are freaking stiff. Come on.
Oh yeah. Super. You gotta really push it in there.
Yeah.
I'll arrest you. Watch out.
Yeah. Antenna. Oh, look, a dime. Somebody dropped a dime. Sweet mother. Nice.
Bread. Oh, we got some cigarettes.
I'm glad that these are still here. Okay, so it looks like we got...
These things are hella cool.
Yeah, we got Toughbook. I could see him through that thing earlier, but I was really hoping that nobody stole them and they're still here, so this is good. I don't know. There's no way of telling.
I would love to put this up because all data.
Yeah, if one of them fucking some work, then
We got to figure out.
Oh, yeah, we gotta
get a power to them.
Yeah.
If we get a power source to them, they probably work. At least one of them.
What the heck is that?
What is this? It's still
Oh,
sealed.
hold on, be careful. Pop that open real quick.
All right, you got the knife.
Security said do not tamper.
One of them stands forward and the other one stands rock.
We are tampering.
Biohazard. What is this? Powder? BD vacutainer, sodium fluoride, potassium oxalate. You have any idea what that is?
No, I do not.
Biological specimen.
Wow.
Hold on.
Whoa! We got some like
Wow.
crystal meth powdered up here, and
Hold
you
on.
got someone pee in there.
You sure about that?
That
Look, there's like stuff in it.
pour it on Jesse.
You pour it on him. Rick.
I'm gonna pour it on you.
Pour it on Jesse.
Jesse, alright, want me to do it? I'm gonna
Don't
throw it in.
Pour it on Jesse.
I'm more valuable than him.
This is disgusting. This is nasty. I should not even be touching this.
Yeah, why
Oh my gosh, I just cut myself. Well, no, I poked myself. Dynamite.
More dynamite.
Let's see what else we can find here. I know there's probably some type of biscuit in here. 3D Datacom. Dude, that dude looks super young.
For real, look
He's
at
like a baby.
He looks hella mad.
Anybody need any gum? You gotta watch what we touch around here.
Yeah. Oh damn! Somebody got a ticket.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Somebody got their car towed away.
Sucks for them.
Still got the pea specimen around.
Oh yeah, where is that thing? You need a smoke?
Anybody need a
If
smoke?
they're not cancer sticks, they're not good for you.
I'm good. I
Yeah.
don't smoke cigarettes.
Voice link, mobile vision.
You just might need a charger.
It's like a freaking eraser. Yeah. Blanket.
You need a blanket? Go to sleep at night?
That's the new shop blanket.
Yeah, the new shop blanket.
Hey,
Yeah, people who spend the night.
yeah, Devin.
Oh, we got a speaker. We gotta remove this. Get your Crown Recado patch.
Yep.
Get
Can't
it
go
now.
without it.
Get it now.
Mine's in my car.
Yep.
Mine hangs up in between my visors.
Dope. All right, guys. So this is gonna be my new project. I decided I'm gonna turn this into a full-on K9 unit.
That's right.
Yep. I'm gonna put the K9 hood, Satina push bar. I'm gonna. I don't know about the colors yet, but I guess that's up to you guys to decide. I'm gonna throw the whole K9 system in here. I got.
In other words, Rick's gonna keep me busy.
Yeah, exactly. I'm keeping busy. For sure.
And he's gonna keep me busy.
Yep. It's a new car for Chief to ride in. Yeah, buddy.